Hello and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. All right, y'all, I got my Walmart beauty box. This is my fall box, $5, and it's so far so good. So this quarter, because you get them every 3 months, 4 times a year. I got some of the Pantene foam conditioner, sheer volume. It looks like it's a foam conditioner that you put in while your hair's still wet. So I love these little travel size things. We got a My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. So you put it on your lips and leave it for about 15 minutes. That ought to be interesting. Make sure nobody's around with a camera to take a picture. A black charcoal bubble sheet mask by SOOAN. Now you do get some like coupons and stuff. You know, there'll be some little, paperwork. And then there's, this is a little sample size of the Aveeno Positively Radiant Sheer Hydration. It's a daily moisturizer. And it's got the little pack here that you pull off. And then we got a little pack of Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. We got a little sample pack of the 48-hour Aloe Vera Mist, the Nivea. That. We got one Kleenex Wet Wipe Gentle Clean. No harsh chemicals. Just one of those. That'll be great to kind of stick down in your purse. We got a Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Bar. This is for dry, sensitive skin. So, a little bar of the Cetaphil. And then, this is going to be really nice for traveling. This is a Great Lash Mascara. Kind of like a small sample size in very black. So, that's going to be great to throw in my travel bag. But y'all, that's it. That's my Walmart beauty box for fall. If you want to sign up for this, go to beautybox.walmart.com. And it's $5. That covers the shipping. And sometimes they're really good, sometimes they're not. You're going to get just different stuff. But usually there's always something I get in there that I'm saying, I'm glad I got it and it was worth $5. You know what I'm saying? But I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I really appreciate it. Thank y'all so much for watching, and God bless.